Friday finally! Alexa, what's the quickest way to get to work?
Good morning, Miguel. You're running late. Take a shared car that is parked 60 meters from here. Mark it up. Take tram number 17. It leaves in 8 minutes. Hurry up!
My boyfriend Miguel decided to move to Prague from Madrid 4 years ago. Partly because of me, and partly because of his job at the Prague Technical University.
Honestly, I love my job here. I've met so many brilliant people here, and the possibility to work on projects that might change the world is priceless.
My friend Juliet is arriving today from Paris. We will have a joint presentation regarding city planning, another cross-border project that I'm really looking forward to. But now, let's check out some of the new art design places in Prague. It's never boring here. That's what I love about my city. You can always find multiple options on how to enjoy yourself. Prague is a cultural, vibrant and inspiring city that has always attracted artists from all cultures.
My work often seems like having fun with very cool toys. But don't get me wrong, there is a lot of serious science behind it. I was hooked on Prague from the very first moment.
I realize every day that Prague is not just about historic monuments, but mainly it is a great European hub for specialists from all over the world. In recent years, many cool spots have opened with great food, drinks, art and music.
Prague became a second home, and I'm glad to have the chance to write my life story here. Because great stories are written in Prague.
Wish that I could